And I think what we're gonna do is a little micro fishing adventure. And the first step to that is you're gonna wanna find yourself a micro human. Think about grabbing her micro rod and realize you'll have a much better experience if you use your rod instead. Ultimately realizing that bringing a micro human is going to slow you down dramatically. And that's okay. Let's go.
Can it go that way?
You sure can.
Look, Mommy.
Also realize if you bring your micro human, it may get muddy. She might need to be carried for part of it. Make sure to pack your strong arms for these kinds of trips.
Go, Daddy.
It also really helps if you bring a very encouraging micro human.
Mommy, I'm done. Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, baby, I love you too.
I think I cast it.
You think you caught something?